You've been a good enough father.
I want to be a good enough father.
Let's go, let's go!
Don't quit! Don't quit!
You are good, and you are mighty, and you are merciful. Praise you, Jesus. Guide me to who you want me to help. Raise up more that will call upon your name. Raise up those that love you and seek you and trust you. Lord, we need an army of believers and will stand on your word above all else. Raise up warriors, Lord, who will fight on their knees, who will worship you with their whole hearts, Lord. Lord, call us to battle, that we may proclaim you King of kings and Lord of lords. I pray these things with all my heart. Raise them up, Lord, raise them up.
Die film War Room gaan op donderdag 10 Maart om 8 uur die oggend by Oos-Kampus vertoon word by ons vrouegroep in die hoofauditorium. Ons stel hierdie geleentheid egter oop vir almal. Daarom nooi ons enige een wat kan, mans en vrouens, om dit saam te kom kyk. Toegang is gratis.